G'day everyone, Turbo Tristan here. Today we have a B18C swapped EG Civic. We're getting an idle issue. I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose your idle issue and help to determine what the issue is. So as you can hear behind me, the car is actually idling quite high. The first thing you'll need to do is check for any vacuum leaks. Check all of the holes, all of the screws, all the way around. Car's currently idling at 1500 RPM. After checking absolutely everything around the car to make sure there was no leaks, I then checked the idle control valve. Now watch this. Unplug the idle control valve and it's idling back where it's supposed to, down to 1000 RPM. Now the fix for this is to take off the idle control valve. There's a couple of 12mm bolts here and under here, and there's also a hose. Just give it a clean with some brake and carby cleaner, test it out, and hopefully that is all good to go. So we successfully identified that the idle air control valve was the thing that was playing up on the B series Honda. We did clean it out, we did give it a good scrub, shoved a toothbrush down there, plenty of brake cleaner, gave it a good clean, let it dry out, shoved it back on, and it was still an issue. Tried to adjust all of the different adjustments, so the idle control screw and also the throttle body, which proves that it was the idle air control valve that was playing up. So through process of elimination, identified that a new idle air control valve is on its way. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.